think you're supposed to look right. I thought you were looking for it.
So Kevin.
Good, Raymond, how you doing?
Good, bud. Good.
Yeah, we did the rapid test yesterday. Everyone came out.
I didn't know we were going to do this this week, but I'm glad we are.
Me too.
How's it been, brother?
Well, I guess I haven't talked to him in a couple days, but I think he's doing fine.
Okay, I think I'm supposed to see him soon, too. So.
He starts games this weekend, right?
Huh?
He starts games this weekend, right? Yeah.
I don't think I'm doing it this weekend, but soon.
And he texted us today, and one of the kids, the dad got a phone call from the company, or text message or whatever, and he thinks in that contact, so he shut it down. He just wanted to ask him if he could get again, how to get another test so he could get his last contact. Yeah. So the second quarter, 14, 18, 13, 12, 2. He was sprinting. So until the parent gets the result that the coach has to get to that contact, you know? Yeah, it can't be a record test. So if they get back and put that negative, then we'll be good to go. But yeah, CD shut down their first off team. Roll from the 5 position. Oh, I just ordered to shut down Fox. Score is now 5-2 on KU. 12:33. Last in the second quarter.